What's up guys, this is iDeviceLab009 and in today's video I have a treat for you. iOS 7.1.2 has been released for the iPad 1. Yes, you heard me correctly. 7.1.2 on the iPad 1. So if you watched my previous video on this iPad first generation, you know that I installed iOS 7 on it. And this is possible because Powner Blue made it so that you can run iOS 7 unofficially. The script is kind of outdated because there are some known issues. For example, the keyboard does not work, Springboard Maker sometimes, Control Center also doesn't work. Amy and Nicole basically took his work and enhanced it so that everything works. It fixes the keyboard, audio, Bluetooth, charging, Control Center and Springboard crash. As you can see, here are the little photos. The thing that surprised me the most was that LukeZGD, also the developer for Legacy iOS Kit, basically took Amy and Nicole's work and ported it directly to Legacy iOS Kit, so you can run it through there. So this is possible because the A4 chip runs on the iPhone 4 and the iPhone 4 runs iOS 7.1.2. It was figured that hey, if the iPhone 4 can run iOS 7.1.2, why can't the iPod Touch 4 and iPad 1 run the same version? So here we are. So let me show you how to get everything set up. For Legacy iOS Kit, you will click on code and download zip. I already have it downloaded, so I'm going to stop. But you will have a folder on your desktop, which is this one. Open it up, open a terminal window, drag restore.sh into terminal and click enter. So you need to plug your iPad in, and as you can see I am on iOS 5.1.1. Let's go to restore downgrade, and here we are, 7.1.2. You can do 6.1.3. I made a video about it, but let's go to 7.1.2. We need to download the target IPSW, download the base IPSW. Now you can select the target IPSW and select the base IPSW. Start the restore. We definitely want our device to be jailbroken. We can say yes, and we can do #DFU. We need to send the device in recovery. Now we need to put it into DFU mode, so we can click yes and follow the instructions on screen. And there we go, looks like it worked, and now let's see the device boot up. Yes, we are at the setup screen. Hello. And let's set the device up. English, Romania. Let me connect to Wi-Fi. And as you can see, the keyboard actually works this time. Enable location services, set up as new iPad, skip this step, skip, accept the terms and conditions, don't set up a passcode, continue, don't send, and welcome to iPad. I'm so excited. Oh my god, this actually works, and we have Cydia. There we go, we have Cydia. So if I go into settings, about, we are on 7.1.2, which is amazing. I cannot describe the feeling that I have right now. This is so exciting. As you can see, the keyboard works. I want to quickly see if the audio also works. Yeah, it does. And that's pretty much it. I will do another video exploring it and playing with Cydia. Thank you so much for watching. Comment, like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.